Discrete means it can be only certain numbers. This one means it can be any number. So if I said, how long did it take you to run that mile? And you tell me 4.2567 minutes. That's a continuous number. Discrete would be something like, if I said, what's your shoe size? You can't tell me that you wear a 7.2936 shoe. You either wear a 7, a 7.5, an 8, an 8.5. So shoe sizes only come in certain increments. Girls, if I tell you what size dress do you wear, you can't say I wear an 8.034. You either wear an 8, or you wear a 10, or you wear a 12. Guys in pants, you either wear a 32 or you wear a 34. Sometimes they have 33s. But you can't go to Belk's and say, I need a 32.69 pant. You either need a 30 or a 32 or a 33 or a 34. So pant sizes are discrete. They're not continuous. They can't be any number. Hat sizes. You can get a 7, a 7.25, a 7 1/8, a 7 1/2. But you can't go and say, oh, my head is a 7.0394. So hat sizes, dress sizes, pant sizes, and there's a lot of different things out there, but it has to be at certain intervals. And they don't have to be at the same intervals. It just means that you can only pick from certain numbers. And continuous means it can be any number in the world. Yay? Now, discrete numbers are countable. 7, 7.5, 8, 8.5, 9, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38. They can be counted. Continuous are not countable because after this you may have 4.256713. And then you may make it even longer, and then you may make it even longer, so you can't count continuous. These you can count because they're equally spaced. All right, so let's look at some examples. Goals scored in a season by a soccer player. That is discrete. Because you can score 5 goals, you can score 6 goals, you can score 7 goals. My daughter just played her first season of soccer this past season. She decided, she's a cheerleader at the middle school, and decided, oh, I want to go out for soccer. We don't know anything about soccer. You played every other sport in the world, but let's start soccer. So we have to learn about goals and all that. So she can't come to me and say, oh, they scored 4.39 goals. Either you score a goal or you don't. Either you're pregnant or you're not. So we can score 5 goals or we can score 6 goals. That's discrete. We can't score a part of a goal. Volume of water lost each day through a leaky faucet. Continuous. That one is going to be continuous. I could have lost 7.29647 gallons. Length of minutes of a country song.
Continuous.
Let's see what they put on this one. They put continuous. I could have fought with the discrete on that one according to, like if it was on your iPhone or if it was on your radio, sometimes they may always say 5 minutes, 36 seconds, 5 minutes, 46 seconds, 5 minutes. Then it would be discrete because they're counting in terms of seconds. But if you have a stopwatch that says 2 minutes, 39.456 seconds, so if that was a test question, you could probably fight either way. Number of sequoia trees. Discrete. Either you're a tree or you're not a tree. High temperature on a randomly selected day. Continuous. Again, it's according to what kind of thermometer you're using. They're using a fancy thermometer. If I was using a basic thermometer that did 100.1, 100.2, 100.3, 100.4, then it would be discrete. Internet connection speed in kilobytes per second?
Continuous.
Continuous. Points scored at a basketball game? Discrete. We can't score half a point. Air pressure in pounds per square inch? Continuous. Cool? All right, let's go ahead and take our break. We are done with 1.1. Woo woo! We are headed to 1314 when we get back from a 10-minute break. It is 12:30. We will be back around 12:32. We will be back around 12:42, based on that time. That is blurry. Bathrooms are at this end, boys at this end, girls at this end. If you need a snack or a drink, upstairs between the stairs and the elevator is a snack machine, but all snacks and drinks must be finished before you come back in the room. Yes, my love. Mhm. Got it. Okay. That's fine, that's fine. You good. And what was your name? Gotcha. I gotcha, boo-boo. Uh-huh. Yes. Just let me know.
Okay.
And what we'll do, usually we take the final exam together, but what I can do is let you take it in the testing room, like you did on your own test, and that'll be fine.
Okay.
Yeah, just remind me when we get closer, because I'm old and forgetful.
Okay.
Uh-huh. Thank you.
Come on. I'll be there.
You too, good luck.
Thank you.
All right, y'all, we've already lost one.
Oh, wow. That was fast.
I know, I've already scared him away. He's taken physics, electrical engineering, and something else. And he's like, I just don't think I can do 4 classes with this one in a semester. And I'm like, it's okay. He's like, I didn't want to be rude and get up and walk out in the middle of class. I'm like, it's okay. in here need to borrow a calculator? 2. Oh, crud, I could have cut that off.
My bad.